Introduction. There comes a time in every person's life when they stop to wonder, am I doing enough? Sure, working a regular 9-to-5 job and spending your time working your way up in your career can be satisfying, but sometimes the process of paying the bills can become tiresome and tedious, and you may find yourself wondering if you've lost sight of what is really important. All of us have great talents and aspirations that drive us forward in life, but if we aren't taking steps every day to help us to achieve our goals, our passion for life begins to dwindle. It can be defeating to spend our lives working towards essentially nothing, stuck in the same monotonous routine, while the things we really want to do with our lives are put on the back burner. That's no way to live. And many of us begin to feel stuck and confined as we wonder about the things that might have been where we offered better opportunities or had been able to make more time to work on the things that we find the most important to us. Well, there is no reason to wonder what if any longer. Using this training as a guide, you will begin to see that it is not only possible but essential to master your destiny. Every one of us has a special purpose on this planet and a singular life that belongs to us and us alone. Each of us has a duty to honor the purpose that we were meant to serve, and we are allowed to continue to create the changes that need to be made in order to make those dreams a reality. What most of us are lacking is a basic structure to get to where we want to be. Accomplishing our goals may seem obscure and idealistic, but there are steps that we can take every single day to get us to where we want to be. There has never been greater possibilities of becoming the best version of yourself, and by following the simple key steps in this training, before you know it, you will be well on your way to mastering your destiny. Let's get started.